Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you are doing great today. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to list products on Google Shopping. Well guys, here I'm talking about listing, not using Google Ads and promote your product through paid marketing. Here I'm talking about how to freely list your products on Google Shopping so that people can check out your product, and if they like your product, if they like your pricing, they will directly buy the product from that Google Shopping platform. So let's get into the video and learn more about this. Well guys, before going further, let me show you that where you can see those free listings so that you don't get confused, right? So let's say I'm writing shoes for men, right? This is the keyword I have entered, and here you'll be able to see these are the sponsored ads. Basically these are paid ads which merchants are showing using Google Ads, right? But how you can show your products on Google Shopping platform for free? Well, here you can see some tabs over here, right? So these are the customized tabs according to the keyword you have entered on Google, right? As you can see here, the first tab is shopping, then we have images, best, then we have the brand name Nike. If you click on this, you'll be able to see all the shoes from Nike, right? Then we have formal keyword, casual, active, stylish. So tons of tabs are here, and when we click on this shopping tab, you'll be able to see this shopping platform like Facebook Marketplace. You might have seen Facebook Marketplace, where you can freely list your product, and you can even sell your product directly from Facebook Marketplace, and you don't have to pay a single penny for that, right? And same goes with this Google Shopping platform, and this is where your free listings will show. Here both type of products are shown, sponsored and organic, both will be shown here. But the thing is, you can't decide the ranking of your product. Your product will randomly show in these products. As you can see here, tons of shoes are here because I've searched shoes for men. So Google is showing me tons of shoes for men here, right? As you can see, and it works like same like any other free marketplace. You can compare it with Amazon as well. Like here you can see the filters as well. If you want, you can apply the filters. You can select any brand, any type, any department, or pricing as well. So it is a proper marketplace, and the basic difference is here we do have different types of merchants, right? As you can see, Mintra official, Nike official. So different kind of merchants are over here. As you can see, Amazon is also here, right? So I hope you understood that where your free listings will be shown. And now there is a question that how to create a free listing, right? Well, there is no any extra thing you have to do. Basically you just have to create your merchant account, as I've already shown you in our previous videos. You can check out our videos in the Google Ads course playlist, right? So I've already shown you how to create the merchant account and how to add your products in your merchant account, right? And once your products gets approved, you are automatically eligible for free listing on Google Shopping platform, right? And when you want to promote it through paid marketing, then you have to connect your merchant account with Google Ads, and then you'll be able to see show your ads on shopping, basically on Google Shopping ads like this, shoes for men.
Sofno kardeş gambarına koyayım. Gel. Tazi sorpa do yoshi pelel gese bno kardeş gambar do yoshi kere sa impel. Iro ron. Ron. Anter pal me first nim. Ron rasga helps that got palam kart ven. Ibem. On. Sinem boksuş skos. Impel pal. Pam ni repa. Ron rasga on. Ano po, babatiwar po na so prof sush on two.
So this is the dashboard of merchant account. I'm in the overview section. If I go to products, I'll be able to see all the products which I have added into my merchant account, right? Let me go to all products, and here I'll be able to see the products, right? Now, as I have already told you that once your products gets approved, you are automatically eligible for free listing. As you can see here, free listing program. In the program section, you will be able to see these two options, right? This is free listing and it is showing active, which means you are automatically eligible for free listing once your products gets approved. And this is the second thing, which is shopping ads. Obviously I have already shown you in the previous videos that how you can create shopping ads. So once your products are approved, you can create shopping ads uh, for those products as well. And how you can do that? First you have to connect your Google Ads account with your merchant account, and you are good to go. You just have to go to your Google Ads account and create a shopping campaign. Simple as that. So I hope you understood what is free listing in Google Shopping platform, and I hope you got to know that how you can show your products on Google Shopping platform. And if you still have any question or query, you can comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.